Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing my unboxing of the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. I am getting PR from Ipsy now, so you guys will be seeing the Glam Bag unboxings on my channel. If you would like to know what's in here, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's just go ahead and jump right in. I actually just got this in the mail today and I haven't even opened the box. I have no idea what's in here. I didn't even want to take a peek at anybody's videos. There are a few on my feed, but I was like, no, we're gonna do an unboxing. I don't know what's in here. I do have the Ipsy site pulled up so I can share with you guys what comes in the Ipsy bag. That retails for $12 a month, and then you do get like sample size, sometimes full size items, and then the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. Again, this was sent to me in PR. I did not pay for these bags. Oh, I was mentioning it because last month they threw in the Sunday Riley in the little bag, and that one is included in the Glam Bag Plus. That's why I have the Ipsy site pulled up so I have my stuff accurate in the bags. But the first thing I see I'm going to be unboxing is the Glam Bag that retails for $12 a month. I really like the bag. It's really like good quality, and this is a design. It's super cute. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, the first item I see in here is the Tarte, the Deep Cleanser. I have actually tried this product out. I had a full size and it was working out super well for me, but the only thing I realized at the end after using it for a few, I noticed that it started to break me out, so I stopped using it. I didn't have very much left, but I think I just had the product for too long. So I don't know, maybe I'll put this aside for a future giveaway so somebody else can try this out. And it does have kind of like exfoliate, they're not beads, they kind of feel like little scrub things. So yeah, that's the first thing I see in here. Next up is this ABH lip gloss, ooh, in the shade Moon Jelly. So it's just a clear like holographic gloss. It smells like vanilla, and oh, it's holographic. It has like pink flip to it. That's cool. That's pretty cool. So we got this in the Glam Bag. Next up I see here is a Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I like the packaging. It's super cute and bright, but this is what it looks like. It doesn't really smell like bananas to me. Oh, there's a cover on there. I was like, I can't smell anything. Okay, yeah, it is banana. I was gonna say, it kind of smells like coconut, like my cuticle cream that I just applied. Because my cuticle cream smells like coconut, but it does smell like banana. That's funny. You can't really smell it with this plastic thing, but without it, it smells like banana. Have you guys tried this out? What do you guys think of it? That smells like pretty good. Bananas, I love bananas. I especially love like the yellow green bananas. Super delicious. Next up in here is this Ico Rock Out and Lash Out mascara. Ooh, nice. Lately I've been looking for some good mascaras to try just because I've been using up my mascaras, and now I'm kind of stocked up on mascaras. So I'm gonna open this up so I can see what the wand looks like. Ooh, that's very interesting. So there is the wand. Have you guys tried out this mascara? What do you think? The wand is very interesting. So I am looking forward to trying this out. I like volumizing mascara, so Rock Out and Lash Out. I'm hoping it's a volumizing mascara. What else? So what is this? This is the Sugar Rush by Tarte. It's a lip slip vegan lip oil. I believe this is full size. This is in the shade Fresh Pressed. Ooh, that sounds like it's gonna smell like peaches maybe. I haven't tried anything from the Sugar Rush line. I didn't know what this was, but maybe it's just like an anti-slip because it's not coming off. So lip oil, right? It's a lip oil, yep. It does kind of smell kind of strong. Like it kind of reminds me of cotton candy. So let's swatch it. There is a swatch. It's just a lip oil with a bit of a tint to it. You can kind of see in the container it's like peachy a little bit. lately my lips have been super dry, so this is pretty nifty. I want to kind of check out the bag and make sure that this does come in this bag. Just want to make sure this doesn't belong in the Glam Bag Plus. So yeah, this actually just belongs in the Glam Bag Plus. That kind of is a little unfortunate because mine, everything comes in a thing, and I kind of wanted to do like an unboxing and be surprised and what comes in the bag, because again, I don't know what's in here. So I guess just know that this doesn't come in the little Glam Bag. It comes in the Glam Bag Plus. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want me to open my box and go through the products and make sure that I'm sharing the correct items, or do you guys just want me to do like this, like an unboxing and doing my like first impressions? I kind of like the whole first impressions thing because I honestly don't know what's in the box when I'm like today. So this belongs in the Glam Bag Plus. Okay, so here's all these other items in here. So the first product I see is this product here. This is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Kate Somerville Goat's Milk Moisturizing Cream. Have you guys tried this product out? What do you think? Ooh, it's very kind of like liquidy. I don't want to spill it, but I do want to show you guys. Do you see that? It doesn't really have a scent. Let me know if you've tried this out. Fall is here, but winter's around the corner, and my skin will definitely need some moisturizing products. Next up, there's this Good Vibes Mascara, Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara. This is by the brand Tristique. This looks very humongous. This is just a mini, but look how big this box is. And I'm pretty sure this is part of the Glam Bag Plus as well. I'm just kind of looking through the products to make sure. Yep, this is Glam Bag Plus. Did I say the Glam Bag Plus retailed for $25 a month? I'm pretty sure I did. But yep, this is part of the Glam Bag Plus, and I'm kind of like scrolling through the website, like, and all the items you could possibly get in your bag, and there's a lot of good stuff for this month. Whoa, this is so big. Look how big this mascara is. Like, this is huge. Flip down to curl. Oh, so you push this down and you can curl your lashes. You know, I do freelance and I do curl my people's eyelashes. The people I'm doing makeup for. But I never curl mine because I'm scared to. But that's cool that it comes with the curler. Interesting. And then the mascara. This is my kind of wands that I like, so I'm looking forward to trying this out again. I do need another mascara. This is huge. Like, I don't know how much product is usually in a mascara, but this has 0.3 fluid ounces. Next up I see here is the Farrah Be Beautiful BU brushes. Like, these ones look like the kind of brushes you would need for an everyday makeup look, which is cool. You get some fluffy brushes, a shader brush, which I'm going to save this for a future giveaway. Here's another brush. I'm assuming this brush comes in the Glam Bag. I just feel all over the place again. Let me know if you guys think I should just unbox it all and make sure I have the right stuff in the right bags. But I believe this one is part of the Glam Bag, the regular one, the $12 one, because it's just like a single brush. I don't think they would throw this in the Glam Bag Plus, especially when you have a set of brushes. And this is the MOTD A Perfect 10. I actually have tried some of their brushes. They have sent some eye brushes over to me, and they are pretty soft, and this brush is really soft as well. The Perfect 10, just a powder brush, blush brush, a face brush. So next up in here is the Farrah Matte Boss Liquid Lip Pigment, a lipstick line with busy modern women in mind. Our liquid lipstick packaging is squared shaped for your lips. Lipsticks will stay put when you set them down. No more chasing runway lipsticks. That's cute. Ooh, you get 3 lipsticks. I wonder how much this retails for. Let's see. These are heavy. These are heavy. So you get Farrah, Cocoa, and Tiffany. These colors look really pretty. So if this matches the actual lipstick, they're actually really nice. I want to test out Tiffany. Ooh, this color is super pretty. Look at this one. This is in the shade Tiffany. So this is a liquid lip pigment. Yeah, it's a liquid lipstick. It has a slight scent to it, but it might just be the gloss from Tarte. That color is super pretty. It's perfect for fall. I kind of want to like swatch them all. So this one is Tiffany. This one is Cocoa. And then this shade here is Farrah. The colors are super pretty. Look, these colors are super pretty. Oh my god, should I swatch them all? I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them all. So this one is in Cocoa. Oh my god. This color actually reminds me of the color I have on my lips. Right now I'm wearing Brick by Dose of Colors. This is definitely like a close dupe. Oh man, I shouldn't have swatched it because now I have two colors the same. And obviously I have reds. This is in the shade Farrah. I love a good red though. So these colors are beautiful. Wow. I am definitely excited to try these out. These are super pretty and again, definitely up my alley. What else do we got in here? Ooh, a Violet Voss palette. 6-color eyeshadow and pressed pigment. Let me check if this comes in the Glam Bag. It comes in the Glam Bag plus. So this is it just says Violet Voss. It doesn't have a name, I don't think. Ooh, oh my god, you guys. This color story is super pretty. I really like the Violet Voss formula. It's really pigmented. And this little palette here will be perfect for travel whenever we can travel. How fun are these colors here? Oh my goodness. I'm really happy with this little palette here. This is really cute. And I like how small and compact this is. I believe this is all that's in here. Let's see. Yep. And then it also comes with the Glam Bag plus baggie here. These were really good bags. Even the Glam Bag, the regular bag, that was a really good bag. Wow. I was actually very impressed with this bag. Both bags, the Glam Bag and the plus. Let me know if you're subscribed to Ipsy. I would love to know. Or are you going to subscribe? These are like, everything was really like, really nice. I'm really excited. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you like this, like first impressions, just kind of see where stuff goes as I'm opening it up, or do you guys want me to be more organized, open all the stuff up and then share with you guys what I got? Let me know. If you enjoyed this video, again, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.